Here's how to get free coins on HoneyToon. First thing that you need to do is go to Google, Safari, or Chrome and search for HoneyToon, and then click on the first website that you will see. After clicking on the website, you will be redirected on this page. What you need to do is to click on the three-line button that you can see at the upper right. Afterwards, select the account options and you can sign in between Apple account, Facebook, Google, or X. After signing in, you can now go ahead and have a premium account. Getting a premium account and choosing the plan for you will give you free coins. So, free coins still depends on the subscriptions or premium account that you are going to avail from honeytoon.com. On the other hand, you can be or game and have an unlimited access to be on HoneyToon. Be a member so that you can have a free coins on your end.